Hello guys, here is Samsung A13 4G. The screen is cracked, so I'm going to show you how to replace the screen. Let me remove the SIM card. Use the knife for open. Already open, but don't open too hard the back side because there is power button flex. If you try to too hard, it's gonna rip it. So slowly just remove the back, and there is a camera cover. Just to remove, then we can take out the power plex. Just remove the power plex. Now we're gonna remove the screw. Remove all the screw. Now we're gonna remove the cover. Just removed. Now we're gonna remove the battery connection. This is the battery connection. This is a screen connection. Just removed. Now we're gonna remove the charging port connection. There is one screw, we have to remove it. Top side there is another screw on the motherboard. Yeah, this one. Have to remove it now. Now I'm gonna lift up the motherboard and charging port together. Keep on side. Now we're gonna remove the vibration. Put some heat on top. Now we're gonna remove the speaker. Put some heat on behind. Because if you put some heat on top of the speaker, is melted, so better put heat on behind. Yes, it's come easily. Now I'm gonna remove the air speaker. Now you're gonna see new screen comes with volume button or not. No, there is no volume button with the new screen, so you're gonna remove the volume button from old screen and put it on the new screen. So you're gonna remove the volume button, put some heat on top. Yes, we remove the volume button. Now we're gonna remove the battery. Put some heat behind. First we're gonna remove a little bit with the knife. Then we're gonna use the plastic tools. We're gonna make a little bit space. Don't use sharp blade. Yeah, the plastic blade is safe. So put some more heat on top. Yeah, it's come easily now. So we're gonna make even the battery. Just slide top of the battery so it's make even. If something bent, it's gonna be straight the battery. Now we're gonna put back the vibration on the new screen and speaker and air speaker and volume button flex. The tweezer just make it straight even on the frame. Now you're gonna put the motherboard on top of that. Now we're gonna put the black screw. There is one screw on there, so we're gonna put the black screw right here. Now we're gonna put the charging port, and there is another black screw. I'm gonna put it here. There's red one is bottom and white one is on top. Now you're gonna put the charging port connection. Put some double side sticker, double side tape. It's gonna be hold the battery. Now you're gonna put the screen connection and battery connection. Now we're gonna put top cover. And put the all screw. And we put the back cover and put the all screw. Now we're gonna put the power button flex. Now we're gonna put the top of the camera plastic. Good. Now it's gonna hold the power button flex connection. Now we're gonna close the phone back cover. Now we're gonna put the SIM card. Now we're gonna turn on the phone. See, make sure everything is work fine. Let me turn on the phone. Yes, it's turning on. You have to brightness up. The brightness is down, look like. We have to brightness up now. Brightness up, yeah. Touch screen, everything work. Let's test that hash. 456 321. Yeah, it's look good. Thank you. Everything is look like brand new now. Thank you for watching.